SILA Embedded Solutions GmbH was founded in 2014. We are an engineering company providing electrical software engineering services to our customers in the DACH region. We also have our own product line of field post tech. In 2018, we founded our subsidiary in Tyrol, Innsbruck, Embedded Experts. Together we are working on a CC-Link IE TSN remote SDK. Customers actually confronted with a lot of different potential incompatible field bus protocols, which is a huge issue actually for device equipment manufacturers because they need to support a huge number of these field bus protocols in the product, which actually increases the time to market, creates a huge amount of development efforts. SILA is an open, industry-neutral organization working on the standardization and promotion of technology. What TSN ensures in combination with a suitable field bus protocol is that properties like timeless or real-time performance can be ensured at the component level. And once components are brought into the system, all these properties still hold.
The CC-Link IE TSN stack SILA is currently working on is in its core platform independent. It has no bit sizes and no NDNS, so it's easily ported to different hardware architectures used in the market.
The main benefits in working with the CLPA is the participation in marketing activities. Another important aspect is the open access to standards, the development of standards published by the CLPA. We are looking forward in participation to the new events to come. We are looking forward to the advance of the CC-Link IE TSN protocol, and we are especially looking forward to other companies joining